Hello everyone, I'm Shreash and you're watching Techifyeduone. So welcome back to the channel. After a long time, we are back and with this brand new Samsung Galaxy F23 5G. So 5G is in India and it's great news. So we'll check this one out together and we'll see what it has in store for us. So here I have the box and you can see it's a much slimmer one compared to previous Samsung phones, and reason for that you all will come to know when I open it. So it's the 17,000 model, the 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM variant. The 4GB RAM variant is also available, but I would say that go with this one if you're a heavy user. And it comes loaded with a massive 5000 mAh battery and it's really great. The previous one that I did and the previous F series phone that I had was the Samsung Galaxy F22 and it had 6000 mAh battery, so that lasted 1.5 days despite heavy use. So I think this should last similar. And so we'll open this, and what's at the back, you can see this. So some features written here, and it's the 6.6 inch Full HD Plus display, so that's a very good thing. You get a big screen. So let's open this up. So at the top here we have the device, our F23 5G device, and I'll just keep it aside. It's the aqua blue color that I got. Forest green and copper blush colors are also available. You can go for it. I went for the aqua blue one. So I'll just keep it aside for a few seconds. This side is empty and the top half. So here is something very important, the small SIM ejector tool. So, and inside this we have the Type-C cable. So let me tell you that you only get the Type-C cable and don't get the adapter. So Samsung has stopped providing adapters for its mid-range and high-range smartphones. You only get this Type-C cable. It's fast charging cable, but you'll need to get a fast adapter as well. So that's all that was in the box. And something else here, some paperwork you see, and it's not any more time to discuss the paperwork. So I'll boot the phone, set it up, and then I'll tell you more about this one. But wait, before seeing what's in the phone, let's have a physical overview, of course. So there's some taping done here. So here it comes off, this thing. So here I have the device and it's the aqua blue color, so looks really beautiful. And let's look it up close. Here we have the device. It's the back side of the device, and you can see there at the side the triple card slot. At the top here is a triple camera setup. I'll come to the camera later. It's fantastic. Then you can see the Samsung branding there. This is the Samsung branding here. Then at the bottom we have a favorite 3.5mm headphone jack and a charging point and the speaker grill. Then on the other this side we have the power button and a volume rockers, and the power button has the integrated fingerprint sensor. This is the camera setup. So now that we've seen the phone from the outside, let's boot it up and check it from the inside. And I'll also show from like behind the cam, and we'll go into the screen recording thing, but let's first boot this phone. So as you can see, it's started booting. Yes, the Samsung branding coming there. Then Samsung Galaxy secured by Knox. It has the Knox security, so in terms of security, that's a very good feature. At the bottom there you can see it's written powered by Android, and let me tell you, it comes out of the box Android 12. It's not Android 11, it's the latest Android 12, and You will also get future updates, like the company claims that it will give 3 to 4 years of continuous updates on the device, so that's really good. You can see now it's loading. So I'll set this up and then come back on screen. Guys, I've completely set the phone up, and this is the home screen. You can see it looks really beautiful. I've set it up, and when it came to me it was charged 45%, and I've set this up. So I'll go behind cam and show you all every detail, every small detail related to all aspects of the phone. And before that, let me tell you, it is Android 12 and runs on 1 core 4.1 UI version of Samsung. So this is it, and there were third-party apps, and quite a few of them. I uninstalled all of them. Obviously you'll do the same too, which you don't need. So this is the app drawer, and now let's go behind cam. So guys, this is the mobile home screen, the F23 5G home screen. Before we start, let me tell you a few things about 5G. So this device has 12 5G bands, unlike many high flagship phones that I've seen that they have just 2 or 3 bands. So this one has 12 5G bands, so you're gonna experience amazing internet speed connectivity. So now let's go into the settings and see the Android version and all. So this is the settings here. Go into about phone, software information. This is the Android 12, and here you see. So these are really small, subtle things that Google does, and I just love them. So what it is that as it is the Android 12 version, you gotta make the clock look like it's showing 12 o'clock. So just keep on moving it until it shows 12 like this. So boom, there you go, Android 12. It looks beautiful. And Android 12, let me tell you, is really good. Android 13 is obviously in the works, but there are many devices that even haven't received Android 12 as of today. So it's really good that it comes Android 12 out of the box. Now let's move back. As you can see, it has the 1 core, it hasn't got the core UI version, it's the 4.1 UI version of Samsung. Now let's go back. So this is our home screen. I'll show you in the CPU-Z app what we have. So this runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 750G processor. It's a really powerful one, and it's one of the best points that Samsung has done, because the 750G Snapdragon processor you usually see in the phones that are in the 20 to 25,000 segment, but giving such a powerful processor in this price range is just amazing from Samsung. And it has the Adreno one, the Qualcomm Snapdragon Adreno 750G. So now let's go into the device section. As you can see, the screen size, it's 6.56 inches. Then screen density and everything, it's the available RAM. So internal storage that's provided to you is 108 GB. That is it's the 128 GB ROM variant, right? So 20 GB is taken away with the system specifications and system details. So as you can see, the Android version here, that's Android 12, API level 31, and other details as well. So guys, this is the battery section. As you can see, the health and everything. Then the temperature, it's 34.5 degrees Celsius. That's quite normal. So let's move on. Then this device has all the sensors that you need, and absolutely there's no need to worry. And it has the gyroscope, the proximity sensor, the screen orientation sensor, the motion sensor, the wake up motion, the touch pocket sensor. All the motions are there. And let me tell you that the motion sensor helps a lot in the camera shooting and everything. So that was about the CPU-Z app. Then this is my home screen. Only thing that is left is showing you all the video and audio quality. So let's move on to that. Just listen to the video and audio quality there. So I've got this video, and we'll play it in 2160p. So we'll be playing the video in 2160p, the high quality. Just see the colors, they're so good. And there's the scenic beauty. Just listen to the sound. The detailing of the video is so good. Just look at the pixels, they're amazing. Just see this. This looks terrific. The top view that they've taken in the video. So I think that's it about the audio and video quality. Let's move on. So guys, now let's have a look at the camera, how it is. So I've got the camera app here. You can see. So there are many different modes, like as you can see it here. The Pro mode, night shot, panorama, macro shots. I've taken quite a few macro shots now with this one, and they are just amazing. I'll post them at the end. Then it has, as you can see, the super slow motion mode, the slow motion mode, the hyperlapse, and I guess the super slow motion will be just amazing, this one. So here are the full HD, ultra HD and HD options there. Then you have so many filters, so many different filters, warm, cool, and whatever you get, there's a lot of variety than the grayscale and all. So all the Snapchat filters are also there. Then you have the wide angle lens option. Then here we have the video stabilization, auto FPS option, and a lot of different settings there. So, and then we have the portrait mode here, and it's really good, and I'll show you pictures towards the end of that I'll take with the camera. Now I think we've got the camera covered. Now let's have a look at some of the pictures. This one is in normal lighting conditions from the rear camera. Then this one is in low lighting conditions from the rear camera in portrait mode. This is another one just to show you the blur at the back. This one is in the portrait mode. You can see how clearly it has come. Then this is another one of the photos. This one is the macro shot. It looks so good up close, and this is, I guess, the best one that came. Just see the rose and the pattern on it. Then this is the laughing Buddha, and finally a selfie. Let's get back on cam. So yeah, here I am, and before the final review and everything, I'll just wanted to show you all the device's fingerprint sensor quality. It's really fast. I just missed out on that first up. So this is switched off, and here I put it on. So you can see it's pretty quick, and let me just, yeah. So it takes less than a second, and that's what you should expect from any high and good quality phone. So that was about this Samsung Galaxy F23 5G, and I haven't yet got 5G in my home here. Obviously it's not even in the market, quite popular, just releasing sort of, but whenever it comes, it's gonna be amazing. I'm just waiting for 5G to come on my device. So yes, that's a kind of a futuristic thing. So on camera quality, now let's come into the review. Okay, so camera, the 50 megapixel, it's a beautiful camera, and you're gonna just love shooting videos from it, and videos and pictures. So many different modes. I just couldn't tell the different modes. Could see the screen recording. It's got a lot of filters, lot of video, stable video features, everything. So the camera is superb. The battery, 5000 milliampere battery, and what else do I tell now? So battery, amazing, and you actually need that kind of a heavy battery to go and work with such a good processor, the Snapdragon 750G, so that it lasts more than a day. And I think charging it at night with a 15-watt charger should be good enough. It should go from 0 to 100% in a couple of hours. So that's about the battery. The processor, as I told you, it's amazing. Gamers will love it, and no heating, no lagging issues, nothing. Then it obviously runs on Android 12, the latest Android version, and Samsung has said that Android 13 and 14 will come on the device. And physically, it's a beast, really. I mean, it looks so good. The aqua blue color looked really elegant to me and looked pretty appealing. It's got the glossy finish here, the triple camera setup, Then the Samsung branding, obviously, it's so good. And one thing I loved about the device is the side fingerprint sensor. Is this side fingerprint sensor? So that was about it. I think I've almost covered everything more or less. So coming to my rating on the first look and the first review of the device, I'm gonna give it a 9.5 really, and just cutting that 0.5 marks because obviously I haven't got experience with it. It's just come now. It was just the unboxing video, so that's why I'm not aware what how it will perform in the long term. It should be good. The Samsung Galaxy F22 that I got before this one, the another of the F series phones, it's working really good. It's really just amazing battery experience. So that's about this video. If you all loved it and if you love Techify EDU-ONE, do subscribe the channel and hit the like button, or hit the dislike button if you like, if you wish as well, if you didn't like something. So okay, please subscribe the channel and meet you next time. Have a great day. Have a brilliant day. That's it. Bye bye.